Hey there! Welcome! This video demonstrates how to customize the Realtime, enabling you to define filters, adjust settings, and choose colors for displaying the relevant data. Another video in the Help Center on Realtime will walk you through the page's functionalities and modules. You will learn how to set filters for displaying data on the Realtime page, apply preconfigured layouts, create alerts, and switch to TV mode. The customization controls are located in the top right corner. We will start our demonstration with available filters. Click the filter button and select the required desks, skill groups, and agent states to display the relevant data on the page. Once you apply the filters, panels displaying the filtered data will appear on the left. To reset, click the clear buttons. Next, go to Settings, that consist of Layout, Alerts, and States. You can apply one of the pre-configured layouts to your desktop screen. First, select the current calling mode in your call center, manual, dialer, or mixed. Second, choose one of the available layouts. The predictive calling type provides several layout configurations with the agent list and groups data. For manual calling, you can choose between outbound, inbound, or a combination of both call modes. Mixed calls allow you to focus on desks among other options. Click Show Full Screen to have an idea of how your Realtime page will look like. Make sure you save your data to apply the layout, and proceed to Alerts. Here, you can configure priority settings and customize colors for the data displayed in the page modules. As an example, we will show you how to configure priorities for the Agents List module. In our example, we want to alert the manager when an agent remains in one state, usually on a call, for longer than 5 minutes. Such calls should jump up to the top of the list on the Realtime stats page. That's why we select the sorted priority. If you wish to keep some agents at the bottom, for example those waiting for a call, choose Unsorted for them. If you wish to exclude some agents from the page, for example offline agents, select Hidden. For sorted priorities, adjust their level. The smaller the number, the higher the agents will appear in the list. The smallest number is 1 for the highest priority. Then, you can define the color of the agent line. We set it to red to immediately capture the manager's attention. Let's move down to Conditions, as you can see on the screen. Here, we select the state duration field, choose more than as its condition, and specify 300 seconds for the parameter field. Finally, you can preview the alert on the right. Now we are ready to configure settings on the States tab. Here, you can turn on or off the agent states that will appear on the page and in the states filter, which we demonstrated earlier in the video. Also, drag and drop the lines to reorganize the states order for the agents module, and choose colors for icon states. Make sure not to leave without saving your changes. The last control is switching to the TV mode to display the real-time metrics on a larger screen. After you've applied all the needed customization, you will notice the changes in the layout, agent list, and line colors. Thank you for watching, and good luck!